Okay, so we have two equations. They want us to determine the solution. So let's start with line 1. So the slope is 3 over 1, and the y-intercept is -2. Now I'm looking at line number 2, and I see they have the same slope, okay? So the slope is also 3 over 1. So that means either no solution or infinite solutions. The y-intercept is 1. So we have the same slope, but we have different y-intercepts. So these aren't exactly the same, which means these lines should be parallel and there should be no solution. I'm going to graph it though to make sure I'm right, and I want you to graph it as well just to double check, okay? So I'm going to start with line 2 since my pen is already red. The y-intercept is 1. The slope is 3 over 1. That means go up 3 and to the right 1, up 3, 1, 2, 3, and to the right 1. I'm going to go the other direction as well, down 3 and to the left 1. I just want to have a lot of points on this line. So connect it. Make sure when you're using Pear Deck that the line is small enough so that you can see the actual points. So if your line is so thick that you can't see the points, it just makes it difficult, like when you're trying to check your answer and find the ordered pair. So let me go back to blue. For line number 1, the y-intercept is -2, and the slope is still 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3. So yeah, these lines will be parallel and they'll never cross. Oops. So that means no solution. So on this next slide, we can't check the answer because there is no answer, but we can justify it. So justify means, why is there no solution? So there is no solution because parallel lines never intersect. And that's it. On to the next practice problem. All right, multiple choice. Which equation would create a system with no solution? So no solution means parallel. Parallel means same slope, but different y-intercepts. So that means I need to find the slope of this line and the y-intercept. So for this line, the y-intercept is -1, 2, 3. It's at -4. Okay? So it can't be choice B because they have to have different y-intercepts. And then the slope is, it's a positive slope. So C is wrong because the slopes have to be the same. And it's up 1 and to the right 1, 2, 3, 4. So the slope is 1/4. So I need the same slope, 1/4. So it's not A because that is a slope of 4. So D would give me a system with no solution because the y-intercept here is 0, right? I have the same slope, but I have different y-intercepts. So justify your answer. I already said why D is correct, but D is correct because it has the same slope, but a different y-intercept. So the lines will be parallel. And have no solution. That's how you justify why choice D is the correct choice. All right, there's going to be 2 more practice problems, and then it'll be time for the exit ticket.